Can you imagine? This is non-toxic. This is non-cooked white glue that you can make at home. See, the beads are fixed on the plastic border. So let's make it. I am making this video on your demand. You were asking me from a long time that please make some video that is not cooked, no cook glue. So this is special video, no cook glue. So let's get ready and see. This is 1/4 cup white flour, that is all-purpose flour that you use for making cakes and something like that. So now 1 cup water, just mix it well and stir well. Now you have to add 2 spoons of sugar. Yes, this is simple, tablespoon or teaspoon filled, and half of the salt, half tablespoon salt, and stir it well until there is no lump left. Now just place it in the oven. No need to cook at all. Yes, you can make it in the oven, microwave. At the first time you have to cook it for 1 minute. Just cook it for 1 minute. You can see this is the look, and less than half is cooked, and mix it well and place it again, and now again put it for 1 minute or 1.5 minutes. After this 2.5 minutes, it will look like this. Half of the cooked and half is left. Then it is almost going to ready. Just mix it well, stir well. There is no lump in it. So oh my god, this is non-cooked. This is white glue. I can't imagine. Oh my god, its result is awesome. You can paste paper, you can paste beads, you can paste anything for your artwork. If there is no glue available, you can do it now. No need to mess up on the stove and you have to cook it. Just now place it, and one thing that it turns transparent when it is dry. Now I'm just trying that I should show you some beads as well, that how it looks, how it works actually on the plastic and the beads. So I am putting some beads and I'm fixing it, then I put it to dry, and then I'll show the result. Oh my god, I'm so glad to make this video, to make this recipe as well. Oh, check out this chart paper, and paper is how finely it is stick together, and check out the result on the plastic.